We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. If you want to learn how to speak better English, make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you pronounce it? The. For this, you do want to put your tongue between your teeth and say the. Note that if this word is placed before a word starting with a vowel, it's going to be pronounced as the, as in the animal or the elephant, the, or the, as in the house or the car, or the animal. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.